Hi guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop here with another quick review. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. It doesn't really cost anything, but it really helps me out. Also, I'd like to thank everybody that got behind our exclusive release, which was What Happens in Vegas. Guys, it's been a great seller for us and well deserved. So if you haven't seen this, check the review out and trailer in the link below. But today we are going to review Manifest by Vortex Magic and Danny Weiser. Let's check the trailer out right now.
What?
Where are we gonna go on our trip?
Italy.
Italy. Like, what's the name of the traveler?
I think
Bethany. So, what's the flight number?
3254.
This is the strangest thing. Look, on my bag since the beginning, there's been a my luggage tag, but on the other side it says something that's going to become really important. Come close. This is the strangest thing. Like, I'm gonna kind of unclip it. Look, you kind of. Do you want? Yeah, you do the little flap. There's a name for traveler. What's the name?
Bethany.
Bethany's going on a trip. Where's she going?
Italy.
Italy. And there's a flight number. What's the flight number?
32.
So guys, that was the trailer for Manifest by Vortex Magic and Danny Weiser. What you get inside the box, if you open the lid, is the link to the online instructions, which is about 40 minutes long, taught by Paul Romney. You get everything that you need inside here. There's also, with the online instructions, you also get a live performance, which is also good to see. So the effect is, as you've seen, is a confabulation effect. It makes total sense. So the luggage tag that you receive, the downfall, I think, with a lot of confabulation effects is it don't quite really make sense. This does, the whole plot and premise. So the luggage tag. Where do you want to go? You name anywhere you want to go in the world. Paris, for argument's sake. Could be Vanuatu, wherever, but Paris. There's a name. You don't have to use your name. You could use an alias's name. So then they name whatever name they want to, and then the flight number, whatever number that they want. Could be a telephone number, whatever. And then you literally, without this going out of shot at all, you basically take the luggage tag off something. It can be here on a piece of luggage. Open it up, and you can give them to open up, and inside is Paris, their name, and the flight number. It's very clean. It's a very clean effect, and it's a well justified confabulation. It's very strong. The quality of this gimmick is extremely well made, the same as the Weiser wallet. Very well made. I am going to be using this, and I have a full use for this particular effect. I've tried confabulation effects before. They never really suited me. This one will suit me because I do travel a lot. Obviously, when restrictions lift up with COVID, I will be traveling more. You get everything you need in the box. This is great for close-up, stage, or parlor. The online instructions are extremely good. It goes over multiple handlings for this particular effect. It's extremely easy to do, and also at the very end, probably about maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes of instruction, is a guy named Christopher Gowan. And he's got a lovely, lovely handling for this particular luggage tag that's in full view, again, the whole time on a bag. It's just hanging there and literally just removes it. It's hard to explain, but it's very, very clean. It's very, very clean. All the moves that are required for this are well justified, and again, it's very well made. I will be, as I say, I'll be using it. It's very, very strong. Any confabulation effect is very strong. I just personally think, and this is just my opinion, that this makes complete sense. It's a luggage tag. Where you going? What's your name? What's your flight number? And it's predicted on here, wrote down. Very, very strong. Also, to add to this, Vortex actually use, I've got another product out called Penilism. And Penilism will allow you to write in multiple colours. So that's also something to seriously consider, I think, doing any form of confabulation effect. And I think it just adds a little bit more strength to it, and that's what I'll be using in conjunction with Manifest. There's not much more I can say. The instructions are great. The quality of the product is great. When you get it, I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. And if you like confabulation, again, it makes sense. Guys, I'm John Fox, and until next time, stay safe and bye for now.